Hello everyone, welcome back once again. So now that we have reached the end of this series, I'd like to take a pause for a moment and talk about something that's on everyone's mind. A question I get a lot. A question you have probably asked yourself too. Will AI replace humans? Before I answer that, let's quickly look at the journey we have taken together in this series. We didn't jump straight into the tools or hype, we started from the very basics. We began with what artificial intelligence really is, not what social media makes it look like. Then we move into machine learning, understanding how machines learn from the data. From there, we explore deep learning, neural network, and how models actually start understanding patterns. Then we stepped into the world of ChatGPT, not just using it, but understanding what's happening behind the scenes. We talked about large language models, how they work, why they are powerful, and also where their limitations are. We learned prompt engineering, how the way you ask a question changes the quality of answer. We explored embedding, how text is converted into numbers and how meaning is captured mathematically. We discuss fine tuning, parameter optimization, and how models can adapt for specific use cases. And finally, we didn't stop at theory, we built a real world chatbot from scratch using Python. A chatbot that doesn't depend on internet search, a chatbot that reads your own documents, store them in a vector database, performs semantic search, and generate answer using generative AI. That's not a demo, that's not a toy example. That's a real production level thinking. So now, coming back to the big question, will AI replace humans? Here's my honest answer. AI will not replace humans, but humans who don't learn AI will replace by the humans who do. AI is not here to take away intelligence, it's here to amplify it. AI doesn't have curiosity, it doesn't have intent, it doesn't understand context the way humans do. What AI does extremely well is processing massive amount of data, finding patterns, automate repetitive work, assisting decision making. And that's exactly what we just built. Our chatbot didn't magically know the Constitution of India. We gave it the document, we designed the pipeline, we decided how it should retrieve information and how it should respond. Humans designed the intelligence, AI executed it. That's balance in the future. Now, let's talk about where all of this is going. Generative AI is not a trend, it's a platform shift, just like the internet, mobile phones, cloud computing. In the coming years, you will see AI co pilots in each job role, document based AI assistant in companies, personalized learning systems, AI powered research, legal analysis, healthcare support, autonomous agent that can plan, reason, and execute tasks. But winners won't be the people who only use AI tools. Winners will be the people who understand how AI systems are built. So, if you have learned generative AI, what should you learn next? Here's a clear direction. First, master Python properly, not just syntax, real world problem solving. Second, go deeper into RAG systems, advanced retrieval strategies, hybrid search, re ranking, multi document reasoning. Third, learn about AI agents, tool calling, memory, planning, and execution. Fourth, understand MLOps and AI deployment, versioning models, monitoring output, cost optimization, security, and policy. And finally, don't ignore domain knowledge. AI plus domain expertise is unstoppable. AI alone is not. If you're a student, this is your unfair advantage. If you're a working professional, this is your accelerator. If you're a developer, this is your era. Just a few years ago, building something like this chatbot would require a full research team. Today, You and I built it together line by line. That's the power where technology stands today. So, don't fear AI, learn it, build it, control it, and the most importantly, use it to solve real problems. In the next videos, we'll go even deeper. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and welcome to the future of AI.